Priyanka Gandhi amadi Congress ki luchingbusingbу farmers agitation da mateng pangbagidamak home arrest tawkiba adubu thadok haiduna ngarangdagi All India Congress Committee na senduna satharakpa khongjangbu sagatuna Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ngase Imphal Mayolda protest rally ma chatkre rally aduda tongan bo kholau iba placard kyasu sizinaki rally aduda national leader Jairam Ramesh Bhakta Charandas party ki president and Loken MLA AK Mirabai General Secretary LT Lotama amadi atai leader kyasu sarkyaki sangsiliba khongjang asigi matangda Bhakta Charandas na phongdorakpa wafam
Justice. Immediately the culprits should be booked to task and the farmers' demand should be listened to. The three bills should be withdrawn. That is the demand of the farmers. And at the same time, they have made house arrest of so many leaders. And our beloved leader, Srimati Priyanka Gandhi ji, in house arrest. When our leader wanted to go to the spot to stand by the farmers, they are being arrested. So we protest against that. That immediately our leaders, Srimati Priyanka Gandhi ji, should be released unconditionally with respect, and the Prime Minister of the country should beg apology before the nation or before the farmers.